Hello, it's Tuesday the 26th of February. I'm Maria Rasmussen and here are some of the headlines making the news today. NHS Dumfries and Galloway has confirmed they are dealing with a second case of swine flu, this time in a boy of just 18 months. The toddler was admitted to Dumfries and Galloway Royal Infirmary yesterday with symptoms of the virus, and tests have now confirmed that the virus is H1N1. A 27-year-old woman remains in a specialist hospital in England receiving treatment for the virus after being airlifted from the same hospital at the end of last week. She underwent an emergency caesarean before being transferred by helicopter to Glenfield Hospital in Leicester. Director of Public Health at NHS Dumfries and Galloway, Derek Cox, advised anyone who is in the at-risk group for flu and who has not yet been vaccinated to do so as soon as possible. Anyone who is worried about flu-like symptoms should continue to contact their GP or NHS 24. Edinburgh Council is to seek funding from sustainable transport charity Sustrans to help improve provision for cyclists and pedestrians in Leith Walk. The Leith programme currently has a £5.5 million budget for a raft of environmental improvements to Leith Walk, Constitution Street and Picardy Place. However, following feedback from the public, further potential improvements have been highlighted beyond the initial budget allocation. Local authority officers are now working to explore possible options to extend the scheme and deliver a more strategic vision for sustainable transport along the entire route from Leith to the city centre. Inverclyde councillors have backed a motion calling for convictions of miners during the 1984-1985 coal strikes to be independently reviewed following recent revelations of police misconduct at Hillsborough and Orgreave. It is estimated that 1,000 people were arrested during the miners' strike and half of those were convicted. The motion calls on the Justice Secretary to initiate an independent review of all cases of miners and others convicted in Scotland. Childminders are being asked to stay on alert following two bogus calls from somebody claiming to be from the Care Inspectorate. A male caller contacted two childminders in Ayrshire, stating that he would be inspecting their service. The childminders, concerned by the nature of the call, immediately contacted officials and confirmed the calls were false. Childminders have been put on alert and instructed to stay vigilant to bogus calls and not to give out any information about children in their care. More than a quarter of UK office workers admit to feeling stressed due to their job, with 41% of staff working under dangerously high stress levels that could be affecting their health. 1 in 5 claim the fear of losing their job is the primary cause of stress, and a third admit to comfort eating as an anecdote. Well, that was a roundup of the national news headlines. Thanks for watching.